This 300, I just love the power. It just feels so good.
Connected.
Hey guys, what's happening? It is hot in Missouri. You guys, where it really is hot, probably thinking, oh, you're crazy. But it is 90 degrees here. Problem is it's humid because of all the rain we've had, so it's really humid today. But it's tolerable. To me, it's a lot better than being 20 degrees. I like it a lot better. So I'm just riding a couple of back roads, actually paved. I don't know, it may turn into gravel down here if they end up paving it all the way through or not. But so anyway, I just want to talk about the CRF300L again. Now this is not a review. Somebody last on one of my videos said, not a very good review. It's like, it ain't a review. I'm not going to give you guys a review when I only got 500 miles on it. Let's wait till we get some miles on it, then we'll do a review. You know, I want to do a review after I know the bike. Right now I know it pretty good, but not with 500 miles. So anyway, what to expect with the 300L. A lot of people are asking, you know, what's the difference? How much better is it than the 250L? That's the biggest question. Is it better than the 250L? Should I just keep my 250L or go with a used 250L if I buy a bike, or buy a 300L? I can tell you, by far, this bike is better than the 250L. Even at 500 miles, this bike is better. Now, I'm not saying it's better quality or longer lasting or anything like that, because the 250L is a bulletproof bike. It is a really good bike. It's not better in that way, but it is better as far as the feel, the handling, the suspension. Even though it's not a lot of big improvement on the suspension, it is better. The power is a vast improvement over the 250L, and it's still not a so if you're expecting to buy this and expecting something like the 450, only smaller cc, no, it's nothing like the 450 RL or 450L. It's like the 250L pumped up. It's lighter, more power, a little better suspension, better characteristics. I like it a lot better. There, I said it. I still love my 250L, like the last video I think it was I made. I love my 250L, and I do. But this bike is so fun. I mean, the power, you just notice the power so much. And when after you ride this a while, then you get used to it, and you're like, well, you know, maybe not so much. But then when you jump back on the 250L, because, you know, I kept my 250L, so I can really compare the two. So you jump back on the 250L and you're like, holy cow, this thing feels so gutless. But when I was on the 250L, it didn't feel gutless. I mean, yeah, it's not awesome, but it was okay. This bike is just so much more fun. And of course it makes a difference too. I've done a few things like the handlebars, which is a big improvement because these are from CRFs only, the hand guards also. And these are the Jimmy button bin. Yeah, we turn into gravel right here. Jimmy button bins, so they're actually taller than the stock bars, and man, they feel so much better. So much better. That was like transformed the bike. I kid you not. If you get a set of handlebars, especially if you're a taller guy, I recommend getting this Jimmy button bend. Everything fits good on there still, but they're so much taller. So the 300L is just a great bike. I mean, it's got so many more things that I like, including the shift indicator, including the average miles per gallon. You can see 71.1 or 71.7 mile a gallon. They will also tell you you know, how much gas you have used. Just a whole bunch of features. The screen is bigger. It's really, really cool. One thing I've noticed is some people ask about, and I have noticed it, is the heat coming off of the radiator on this side. It's like it's louvered different maybe than the 250L. The 250L was over here. I don't know if it's just the way it's louvered different, but you can feel more heat off this radiator than you could off of the 250L. I don't think it's running any hotter. I mean, I still think it's running plenty cool. It's just the way the air comes through there maybe. But this bike is just so much fun. So much fun. Just to have that extra bit of power. I mean, that power makes so much difference in playing and having fun. I can't wait to actually get it where I can go on some good trail rides and really spend some time on the bike and get some miles. I'm hoping to soon. You gotta realize I'm trying to build the house and I've been so busy. And I also do review videos, as you've seen on my channel, of a lot of stuff too. And that kind of helps with the channel, to keep the channel going. So I got to keep doing them. I enjoy doing them, and I like doing review videos of the products. You know, the 250L is a great thing to put things on, and aftermarket parts. So is the 300. But this 300, I just love the power. It just feels so good. It's not the greatest thing as far as having a motocross bike, nothing like that. But for a mid-sized dual sport like this thing is awesome. I can see a lot more potential in this bike than I can with the 250L. So you guys that are waiting on the CRF300L, don't give up. Just hang in there. It's worth the wait to get a 300L. You're really going to like it when you get it. Whether you're trading in your old one or you haven't had a bike yet and you're wanting to get one, you're getting a 300, hang in there, because it is worth the wait. It's a great bike. It's super fun, super comfortable. I can't ask for more. I mean, you know, being already happy with the 250L and then getting this and just the improvements that it's got over the 250L, it's like the perfect dual sport for me. And a lot of people ask about the KLX, you know, or about the Yamaha, and I'm not against any of those bikes. I think they're great bikes, but I have no interest. I'm a Honda guy. I just don't really ever care to have anything but Honda. I've had other bikes in the past, just because that's what came along, but deep down, I'm a Honda guy, and that's what I want to stick with. I don't even want to ride the other bikes, or don't care to, you know, I never go look at them, because I'm just not interested. It's just not a Honda. So all you guys that's got a 300L, comment below. And you guys that's got a 250L, comment below. We gotta keep interaction with each other, and that's what keeps things fun, is talking and discussing what we enjoy, our passions of riding, what we enjoy riding. So comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up on this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my Amazon store, check out CRF's Only. I'll catch you all in the next one. Ride on.